يلا بينا يا حلوين نتعلم أسماء الحيوانات بالانجليزي. جاهزين؟ يلا بينا. Animals الحيوانات.
Wolf. Wolf. Zebra. Which is your favorite animal? Zebra. Ant. Ant. Bear. Bear. Bull. Bull. Camel. Camel. Cat. Cat. Great job! Chameleon. Chameleon. Cow. Cow. Crocodiles. Crocodiles. Dog. Which is your favorite animal? Dog. Which is your favorite animal? Donkey. Donkey. Elephant. Elephant. Fox. Fox. Which is your favorite animal? Giraffe. Which is your favorite animal? Giraffe. Goat. Goat. Which is your favorite animal? Great job! Gorilla. Gorilla. Hippo. Hippo. Which is your favorite animal? Horse. Horse. Which is your favorite animal? Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Leopard. Leopard. Lion. Lion. Monkey. Monkey. Mouse. Mouse. Panda. Panda. Which is your favorite animal? Rabbit. Which is your favorite animal? Rabbit. Seal. Which is your favorite animal? Seal. Sheep. Snake. Snake. Tiger. Tiger. Which is your favorite animal? Turtle. Turtle.
ما تنسوش تشتركوا في قناتي. أشوفكم المرة الجاية. مع السلامة.